Hi, I'm Sandra Catarino, Director of Global Strategic Segments for CP Kelco, and I'd like to introduce you to the article I co-wrote with my colleague Yves. It's called How to Clean Up Home Cleaning Products, Leveraging the Clean Label Trend. First, a little about the clean label trend. We know it's been of growing importance in the past several years. Clean label began in the food and beverage industry as consumers got a greater interest in the ingredients used in their favorite foods. Today, consumers also have a wish list of the things they'd like to see on the labels of their cleaning products, especially on their dishwashing liquid, fabric softeners, and laundry detergents. This list includes ingredients that are gentle to the skin, gentle to the environment, as well as a concern about plastics. Microplastics have been used in home and personal care segments as rheology modifiers, pearlescents, and opacifiers. They did a great job at differentiating products, but our water treatment plants were not designed to filter them out, and as a result, they ended up harming our aquatic systems. Our article talks about these developments and the options formulators have to address them.
Hi, I'm Yves Boland, Senior Director of Business Development at CP Kelco. As we are celebrating Earth Day, it is important to talk not only about the challenges, but also about the solutions. There has been a renewed interest in finding biodegradable and eco-friendly alternatives to microplastics, both qualities being important to protect our waterways. As new candidates emerge, there is a need to stabilize them in liquid formulation, in a way that not only satisfies the requirements of the formulators, but also is compatible with more concentrated formulations. And you want your stabilizer to be biodegradable and eco-friendly too. We believe at CP Kelco that FDC, for fermentation-derived cellulose, is this stabilizer that meets this requirement. Indeed, FDC is biodegradable and is produced by fermentation, a beneficial technology that is very efficient at converting natural feedstock into food or functional ingredients. FDC is also very versatile. It can be formulated over a wide range of pH and temperature, and is also very compatible. Actually, it's all about compatibility. It's compatible with salt, with enzyme, and with a wide variety of concentration and type of surfactant. And its low inclusion level make it cost effective. So Sandra and I hope that you will enjoy reading about this very important topic for Earth Day in the new edition of HPC Today.